If you're only looking at public real estate listings, you're missing 80% of the opportunity. The best properties, the ones with instant profit, are found off-market before they ever appear online. Today, I'm revealing the one AI tool that allows you to stop fighting over public listings and puts you directly in front of hidden, motivated sellers. This tool is called PropStream, and it doesn't rely on guesswork. It uses artificial intelligence to analyze tax data, liens, and ownership records to generate what's called a likely to sell score. That score tells you exactly who's most likely to sell, giving you a massive lead generation advantage over every other investor. Here's exactly how to use it. Step 1. Filter for motivation. Select your target market and use PropStream's AI filters to combine key indicators, like high equity and out-of-state ownership. This instantly pinpoints the most motivated sellers in your area. Step 2. Score the leads. Next, the AI runs the data and generates a propensity score, ranking sellers based on how likely they are to sell soon. That means you only focus on the top 10% of leads that matter, eliminating 90% of the cold search work. Step 3. Acquire the data. Finally, pull the owner's contact information right inside PropStream. Now you can reach out directly to the seller before any realtor or competitor even knows that property exists. That's the power of just one AI tool. It finds your deals, saves you over 100 hours a month, and lets you scale your real estate business faster than ever. But here's the secret. If you apply this level of AI prediction and automation to every area of your financial life, investing, trading, marketing, business, you multiply your results exponentially. That's why I compiled all 360 AI tools, from real estate prediction to automated trading and business growth, into one complete master database. If you want the entire list of 360 AI tools that professionals are using across every wealth category, I've put them all into one database for you. The link to that complete database is in the description right now. Go check it out.